Hi, boys and girls. All right, today we're going to learn about contractions again. It's been a little while, but we're actually going to focus more on the apostrophe. And our essential question is, how do I use an apostrophe to form a contraction? We know what a contraction looks like. Now we need to know how to actually form one. All right, the standard is a grammar standard this time. It says to use an apostrophe to form contractions and frequently occurring possessives. So after we learn contractions, we'll move on to possessives. Welcome to the Contraction Factory. We love working with words. I am, I'm. We can take two words and turn them into just one word. I am, I'm. Can not, can't. We call the shortened words contractions. What do we call shortened words? Contractions. Contractions. When two words are made into one using an apostrophe. The missing letters are replaced by an apostrophe. So apostrophe fills the space of the missing letters. Watch how contractions are formed. Read with me. I am. I'm. We take away the A and the contraction fills its space. We make one word, I'm. It stands for I am. Read with me. We are. The new word is we're. We're, it stands for we are. The A is dropped, an apostrophe fills its space. We're. Read it with me. You are. Now watch. Your. The A is dropped, and an apostrophe fills its space. Your stands for you are. Read it with me. They are. Now watch. Their. The A is dropped. Apostrophe fills its space. Their stands for they are. Read it with me. He is. Now watch it. He's stands for he is. The I is dropped. Apostrophe fills the space. Read it with me. She is. Now watch. What word? She's stands for she is. Read with me. It is. Watch. It's stands for it is. The I is dropped. Apostrophe fills its space. Read with me. I will. I'll. This time W and I are dropped. Apostrophe fills the space. You will. Watch. W and I are dropped. You'll stands for you will. She will. Watch. Yes, get rid of W and I. She'll stands for she will. We will. W and I are dropped. We have will. That's right. We plus will. Read it. It will. What word? It'll. That's right. It'll be okay. Stands for it will. We drop the W and the I. What words? They will. What do you think we will drop? All right, on all the rest, we drop W and I. Let's see. We did. What word? They'll. They'll stands for they will. It is. What word? It's. It's a great day stands for it is. Cannot. Cannot. Watch it. What did we get rid of? N and the O to make can't. Stands for cannot. I can't see the board. Can't. All right, we have do not. Watch it. Okay, do not is different. The N slides all the way over. What letter is missing? The O. Don't. What word? Don't. I don't know the answer. Don't. What word? Isn't. Well, I just told you the answer. It's not. This part's being silly. Here we go. Alright, same thing happens as in don't. The N slides all the way over. We're missing the O. Apostrophe fills the space. Isn't. Isn't. What word? What words? Has not. Now let's see what happens with this one. Watch. That same thing. The O is missing. Hasn't. Stands for has not. All right, read the words. Was not. Watch. What word? Wasn't. Oh, we're going to stop there today. We're not going to go on to the have ones. All right, now let's look at some practice we're going to do today. All right, we have an activity in easel, our TPT activities. All right, it has an anchor chart to review or remind you about contractions. Remember, a contraction is made when two words are made into one. So you smush those words together, some letters pop out, and an apostrophe fills that space. So an example is I plus am When you squeeze them together, you get I'm. We lose the A. Apostrophe fills the space. We plus are. When we squish them together and make one word, we're. Get rid of the A. Apostrophe fills that space. All right, today you're going to practice only the first page. So it'll be page 2 of 5. It says contractions. A contraction is when two words are made into one using an apostrophe, and it gives the same examples as on our anchor chart that we just went over. It says connect the words with the correct contraction. So on the left, you have words. On the right, you have contractions. You will match them up. You can use the pen or the highlighter. All right, remember you can change the color if you don't like the color of it. All right, so we have we are, I will, has not, they have, it is, he is. On this side, I'll, they've, he's, hasn't, we're, it's. All right, you've done all of these but the have one, so I would save it for last. Or actually, Miss Spires will do that one right now, being we haven't done that one. All right, they have is they've. They've. They've been to the park. They've. It stands for they have. Okay. Now you're going to match up the rest. You can change colors in between, make it look like a rainbow match. You can leave it all the same color. It doesn't matter to Miss Spires. All right, you do not have to submit your work until the end of the week. We're going to go over them every day, so you can go back in and check your work. If you do submit it, Miss Spires will go back every day, try to remember to go back in and return it back to you so you can get in every day. But you don't have to submit it. You can just leave it open so you can get back in every day if you want to, okay? All right, do your best work today.